Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this pen holder, which you can also use as a Cricut pen holder. You can use a regular cardstock, but to make it sturdier, it's better to use a heavy cardstock or any 12x12 paper that's thicker than a regular cardstock. In this video though, I'm going to use both regular and glitter cardstock. Make sure to change the material setting before you cut. This pen holder can hold 20 pens. Very easy to make. You can also remove the lid so you can put even more pens. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click Images, type in honeycomb box and then enter, and you will see this first 3D image. Click that and then add to canvas. And in this project, I'm going to use 12x12 cardstock. So I'm going to use an 11.5 by 11.5 template. So I'm going to click Shapes and then choose the square one. And I'll just change the color to light gray and then change the size to 11.5 by 11.5. And I'm just going to zoom it out and then right click the template and then send to back. Now before you adjust the size, make sure that you haven't clicked this ungroup button. Now this one right here is the longest part of the pattern and we want to make sure that this doesn't go bigger than the template. Now I'm happy with the size. Now I'm going to delete the template because I don't need that anymore. Now click on Group. Now we need to slice this square one. Click Shapes and then choose Square. And then drag it over to the square and make it bigger than the square one. And then select those two and then slice. And now we can delete those ones. And then click Make It. And now as we can see here, we have 3 different mats. For the first mat, I'm going to use glitter cardstock, and the second and third, I'm going to use just regular. Again, I recommend you to use a heavier cardstock to make it sturdier. So I'm using an Explore Air 2 and I have the glitter cardstock setting saved on my favorites. If you don't, click Browse All Materials and then type in glitter cardstock. And then select that and then click Done. And I always adjust the pressure to more. And since I'm going to use medium cardstock for second and third mat, I'm going to change the setting to medium cardstock. Again, I recommend you use heavy cardstock for second and third mat to make your pen holder sturdier. And make sure that you change the setting according to the material that you're going to use. Now for the second and third mat, we need to use a scoring tool. And since I'm using an Explore Air 2, I will need the scoring stylus. And if you're using a maker, you will need a scoring wheel. Pre-fold the scored lines. And I'm going to use a hot glue for this project. And this is how you close the bottom part. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!